Content niche. Decide on the niche for your YouTube channel. This could be anything from gaming, vlogging, or educational content to cooking, fashion, or beauty. AI-generated content. Use an AI text generation tool, such as ChatGPT or GPT-3, to generate video scripts, titles, and descriptions. This allows you to create content without having to be in front of the camera. Video creation. Use video editing software, such as Adobe Premiere or Final Cut Pro, to compile your AI-generated content into video format. You can use stock images, animations, or footage to enhance your videos. Voiceover. Utilize text-to-speech (TTS) software, such as Google Text-to-Speech or Amazon Polly, to convert the AI-generated script into a voiceover for your videos. This helps to maintain the faceless nature of the channel. Channel branding. Create a channel name, logo, and branding that align with your content niche. This helps to establish a consistent identity for your faceless YouTube channel. Publishing. Upload your videos to YouTube and optimize them with relevant keywords, tags, and descriptions to increase their visibility in search results. Audience engagement. Interact with your audience through comments, social media, and other engagement strategies to build a community around your channel. Monetization. Once your channel gains traction and meets YouTube's monetization requirements, you can earn revenue through ads, sponsored content, and other monetization methods. Content consistency. Regularly upload new content to keep your channel active and engage with your audience to build a loyal following.